Imagine turning on your computer and seeing a completely different look and feel depending on the environment running on top of Linux. The wallpaper, the panel, the menus, the file manager, the animations, the way windows behave, even how you interact with apps can all change dramatically. This is because in the world of Linux, the graphical experience is not fixed. Instead of one single interface forced on every user, Linux offers something called desktop environments. A desktop environment is essentially the complete graphical interface that sits on top of the Linux operating system. It includes the window manager, the panels, the application launcher, the system tray, the file manager, the settings manager, and usually a suite of default applications designed to work together visually and functionally. What makes Linux truly fascinating is that you can choose from many desktop environments depending on what you want your computer to feel like. To understand desktop environments, imagine Linux as the engine of a car. The desktop environment is the interior design, the dashboard layout, the steering wheel style, and the controls you interact with while driving. The engine underneath stays the same, but the driving experience changes dramatically depending on the interior design. That's exactly what happens when you switch desktop environments on Linux. The underlying Linux system remains the same, but the visual and interactive experience becomes entirely different. One of the most well-known and widely used desktop environments in the Linux world is Gnome. The desktop environment called Gnome focuses on simplicity, minimalism, and a clean workflow that reduces distractions. When you log into Gnome, you immediately notice how different it feels compared to traditional desktops. Instead of a cluttered interface full of panels and icons, Gnome usually presents a very clean screen with a top bar and minimal visual noise. The philosophy behind Gnome is to remove unnecessary elements and let users focus on their work. Applications are accessed through an overview mode where you can see all your windows, virtual workspaces, and installed apps in a unified interface. This design encourages keyboard navigation and smooth multitasking. Many major Linux distributions rely heavily on Gnome as their primary desktop experience. For example, Ubuntu, Fedora Workstation, and several enterprise distributions use Gnome as their default desktop environment. Because of this widespread adoption, Gnome has become one of the most polished and professionally maintained desktop environments in the Linux ecosystem. It also comes with its own set of core applications such as the Gnome Files File Manager, the Gnome Settings application, the Gnome Terminal, and other integrated tools that share a consistent design language. Another extremely popular desktop environment is KDE Plasma. While Gnome focuses on minimalism, KDE Plasma focuses on customization and flexibility. KDE Plasma is famous for giving users incredible control over how their desktop behaves and looks. When you first open KDE Plasma, you might notice that it resembles the classic desktop style that many people are familiar with from other operating systems. There's usually a panel at the bottom with an application launcher, task manager, system tray, and clock. But what makes KDE Plasma special is how deeply you can customize almost every part of the interface. In KDE Plasma, panels can be moved anywhere on the screen. Widgets can be added to the desktop or panels. Themes, icons, window decorations, animations, and system behaviors can all be modified in detailed ways. Some users spend hours customizing their KDE Plasma desktops until they look completely unique. Despite offering so many features, modern versions of KDE Plasma are also surprisingly efficient and lightweight compared to older versions. KDE Plasma also comes with a powerful suite of applications developed by the KDE community. These include the Dolphin File Manager, the Console Terminal Emulator, the Gwenview Image Viewer, and many other tools designed to integrate smoothly with the Plasma desktop. Another desktop environment worth understanding is XFCE. XFCE takes a very different approach compared to Gnome and KDE Plasma. Its main goal is to provide a lightweight, fast, and stable desktop environment that works well even on older hardware. XFCE avoids heavy animations and complicated graphical effects in favor of efficiency and simplicity. When you log into XFCE, the interface typically includes a panel with an application menu, taskbar, and system tray, creating a familiar and straightforward layout. One reason many people love XFCE is because it strikes a balance between being lightweight and still providing a traditional desktop experience. It doesn't try to reinvent how you interact with your computer. Instead, it focuses on reliability and responsiveness. This makes XFCE a common choice for older laptops, low-power systems, or users who simply want a fast desktop that stays out of the way. Several Linux distributions use XFCE either as their main desktop or as a lighter alternative. For example, Xubuntu is an Ubuntu-based distribution that uses XFCE as its default environment. Another interesting desktop environment in the Linux world is Cinnamon. Cinnamon was originally created to provide a modern desktop experience while still keeping the traditional layout many users prefer. Cinnamon was developed by the team behind the Linux Mint distribution. When you use Cinnamon, you will likely notice that it feels very familiar to users coming from traditional desktop operating systems. There's typically a panel at the bottom with a menu button, task manager, system tray, and clock. Cinnamon focuses on offering a polished experience that is both modern and comfortable. It includes smooth animations, useful desktop features, and an easy-to-understand settings system. The Cinnamon desktop environment also includes its own applications such as the Gnome file manager, the Cinnamon settings manager, and other tools built specifically for the Linux Mint ecosystem. While Cinnamon is most closely associated with Linux Mint, it can also be installed on many other Linux distributions. Another lightweight desktop environment that deserves attention is LXQt. LXQt is designed to be extremely lightweight and efficient, making it ideal for low-resource systems such as older computers, small single-board devices, or minimal installations. The LXQt desktop environment focuses on delivering a simple interface that consumes very little system memory and processing power. When you launch LXQt, the interface typically resembles a classic desktop layout with a panel, menu, and desktop icons. LXQt was created as a successor to the older LXDE environment and uses the Qt toolkit for its graphical components. This makes it compatible with many modern libraries and technologies while still remaining lightweight. Distributions like Ubuntu use LXQt as their default desktop environment to provide a fast experience even on modest hardware. The Linux ecosystem also includes some unique and experimental desktop environments that explore completely different approaches to computing. One such environment is the Budgie desktop environment. Budgie was originally developed for the Solus Linux distribution and focuses on delivering a clean and elegant desktop experience. Budgie maintains a traditional layout but introduces modern touches, such as a side panel for notifications and system controls. The design philosophy behind Budgie is to provide simplicity while still offering useful modern features. Another interesting desktop environment is Mate. Mate was created as a continuation of the classic Gnome 2 desktop environment after Gnome moved to its newer design. Many users loved the Gnome 2 interface because it was simple, stable, and familiar. When Gnome changed its design philosophy, some developers decided to preserve the classic experience by creating Mate. The result is a desktop environment that feels traditional and comfortable while still being actively maintained and improved. Mate is commonly used by distributions like Ubuntu Mate, which focuses on providing a balanced desktop that works well across a wide range of hardware. Linux also allows users to go even further by using window managers instead of full desktop environments. A window manager is a much smaller component that simply controls how windows appear, move, and interact on the screen. Unlike full desktop environments, window managers usually do not include panels, file managers, or built-in settings tools. Instead, users build their own desktop experience by combining different tools together. Popular window managers in the Linux world include i3, OpenBox, and AwesomeWM. These environments often appeal to advanced users who want maximum control and efficiency. For example, the i3 window manager uses a tiling layout where windows automatically arrange themselves on the screen without overlapping. This can greatly improve productivity for users who work with many windows at the same time. What makes Linux particularly powerful is the freedom to install and switch between these desktop environments whenever you want. Unlike many operating systems where the interface is fixed, Linux allows you to experiment with different environments until you find the one that suits your workflow best. A user might start with Gnome, later try KDE Plasma, then switch to XFCE on an older laptop, and maybe experiment with a tiling window manager for productivity. Switching desktop environments usually involves installing the environment through your distribution's package manager and selecting it from the login screen. Once installed, each environment exists alongside the others without interfering with the core operating system. This modular design is one of the reasons Linux is so flexible. Another important concept when discussing desktop environments is the graphical toolkit used to build applications and interface components. Two of the most common toolkits in the Linux ecosystem are GTK and Qt. Gnome and XFCE primarily use the GTK toolkit, while KDE Plasma uses the Qt toolkit. This affects how applications look and integrate with different desktop environments. For example, a Qt application might visually blend better with KDE Plasma, while a GTK application might feel more native inside Gnome. However, modern Linux systems are capable of running both GTK and Qt applications without any major problems. Many users run a mixture of applications from different ecosystems depending on their needs. Desktop environments often include theming systems that help maintain visual consistency even when running different types of applications. Performance is another factor that differentiates desktop environments. Some environments prioritize visual effects and advanced features, which can require more system resources. Others focus on efficiency and minimal resource usage. For example, KDE Plasma and Gnome offer rich graphical experiences with animations and integrated features, while XFCE and LXQt aim to run smoothly on older hardware. Choosing the right desktop environment often depends on what you value most in a computing experience. If you prefer a clean, distraction-free interface with strong design consistency, Gnome might be appealing. If you enjoy customizing every detail of your desktop, KDE Plasma could be the perfect choice. If you want something lightweight and reliable, XFCE or LXQt might be ideal. If you prefer a traditional layout with modern polish, Cinnamon or Mate could be the right fit. Another aspect of desktop environments is how they handle workspaces, notifications, system settings, and window management. Some environments emphasize keyboard shortcuts and efficient workflows, while others focus on graphical simplicity. The differences may seem small at first, but they can significantly affect how comfortable and productive you feel while using your computer every day. The development communities behind desktop environments also play an important role. Large projects like Gnome and KDE Plasma have extensive developer teams and regular updates, which means they often introduce new features and improvements. Smaller environments like LXQt or Budgie may have fewer developers but still provide focused experiences tailored to specific needs. The beauty of Linux is that it encourages experimentation. A user is not locked into a single interface forever. You can install multiple desktop environments and switch between them depending on your mood, hardware, or workflow requirements. Some users even maintain different environments for different tasks, using a lightweight environment for programming and a more visually rich environment for everyday browsing and media consumption. Over the years, desktop environments have evolved dramatically. Early Linux desktops were often basic and required significant manual configuration. Modern desktop environments now provide polished interfaces that rival any mainstream operating system in terms of usability and aesthetics. Features like automatic display scaling, advanced window management, integrated search, notification systems, and accessibility tools are now common across many Linux desktop environments. The concept of desktop environments also reflects the broader philosophy of Linux itself. Instead of forcing everyone into one design, Linux gives users the freedom to choose how their computing environment should look and behave. Some people prefer minimalism. Others prefer customization, and others simply want something lightweight that works on older machines. Desktop environments allow all of these preferences to coexist within the same operating system. When you explore Linux desktop environments, you begin to realize that the graphical interface is not just a surface layer, but a major part of the user experience. The desktop environment shapes how you launch applications, organize your work, interact with files, and navigate your system. Because of this, choosing the right desktop environment can dramatically change how enjoyable Linux feels to use. In the end, understanding desktop environments helps you appreciate one of the most unique aspects of Linux. While many operating systems provide a single predefined interface, Linux offers an entire ecosystem of desktops designed for different styles, workflows, and hardware capabilities. Whether it's the minimalist approach of Gnome, the powerful customization of KDE Plasma, the lightweight efficiency of XFCE and LXQt, the familiar comfort of Cinnamon and Mate, or the experimental world of tiling window managers, each desktop environment represents a different vision of how people should interact with their computers. And that freedom of choice is one of the reasons Linux continues to attract curious users, developers, and enthusiasts around the world. Once you understand how desktop environments work, you realize that Linux is not just one operating system with one interface. Instead, it is a platform that allows countless desktop experiences to exist side by side, waiting for users to explore them and decide which one truly feels like home.